This is Michele O Creative here, and I'm going to show you how to use a solar powered fountain pump to put inside of a vase, and then I'm going to put another vase inside of it so that you can have a solar powered fountain that the birds are going to just so enjoy. And it looks like this, and once the sun hits it, it's going to spray up. Right now I don't have any sun because it's early in the morning and I'm trying to do this before the sun comes over and bakes me to death. Anyways, I've got my level here and I have my extra pot. It's already filled with water. I have my vase, and then I have the rocks that are going to give this some weight, and I'm going to level it out. So you're going to make sure of where you want to put this. Now I got this at Home Depot and it was $89.98. The fountain was 20 bucks, and then the extra vase was I think $15. So altogether it might have been a little over $100, 120 something. Anyways, so you're going to take and you're going to get this bag of pebbles and you're going to lift it up. Hopefully I don't put my back out. And you're going to place it down inside of here. You're going to fill this up. You also want to make sure of where your placement is on your base here. And you're going to you're just going to level it out. I've leveled it out. It took me a bit to level it, but that's okay. So I've got my bowl. This is the bowl. This is how deep it is. And then I'm going to take and I'm going to fill it up with water. Because now that I've already gotten it level, it's ready to be filled. Okay, so I have taken and I've leveled it all out. I've put in my water and then I put in my fountain. Now the fountain is not going to work until the sun starts peeking up over the horizon, but you can see that it's trying to start to work, and I've put a few sticks in, I've put rocks in because the bowl is actually too deep. You can't submerge it down, but the top part has to be able to stick out. So anyways, you can get this little device online, and it was 20 bucks. I think you might be able to even get one that's a lesser amount, but this one seemed to be much better and had better reviews. Anyways, so I hope you liked my project and hope I've inspired you to create your own little fountain. And I will show you eventually when the sun comes up how it's going to work. But I think it turned out pretty cool. Okay, the sun has come over. Now, as you can see, it's starting to work. That is just so cool. I love it. So hopefully eventually once the sun comes about noontime straight overhead, this will be continuous. But it works pretty good. I like it. And there you go. My makeshift fountain out of a vase.